The whole reason I gave.
I'm starting to get paid myself. Yeah, you're smiling. Yo, how's your
Come on, Nate.
Straight to the front, Solitude Dude will try to match stride with him.
It's like interactive.
He's trying to get into the race now. He's in between horses, 4 lengths off the lead. Taj Mahal is next. Civil Liberty is just inside Ben. They're followed by Obliteration, 6 Speed, and Gilded Bandit at the back of the field. Solitude Dude shows the way to the half-mile pole. Clean trip for Englishman through a half in 21. And 4/5 seconds. That was the opening quarter fraction as they passed the half-mile pole. Then it's Crude Velocity, now moving up to the top 10 8/3. So now is Obliteration on the inside with 7 o'clock to as Obliteration tries to get second. Englishman, what a tremendous effort to win by 6 lengths. It's a tight photo between Obliteration and Crude Velocity, then Gilded Bandit in 1:20.25 seconds for the Woody Stevens.
Only because they were using it. Excuse me. Thank you. Pardon me. Thank you.
Yes.
He's a chaser.
Him, the Belmont Stakes. Just take a picture of
Yes! I don't mind grabbing the low shit. If Bill.
Probably $200. I know. It's like a $4 bag. He's ready to go. He's ready. Five? Oh, the lens? That's a gentleman. I guess I don't know.
I wanted to. UT. Catch it What up, Belmont?
Look at the rainbow, yeah.
It's gonna be in the finish line photo.
358.
It's another 2 laps back. Chief Willie is coming from the outside.
Oh, man.
He's probably not coming out.
I think we're good.
Oh my God, is he first? Is he first?
Fucking umbrellas! Umbrella!
What are my numbers? What are my numbers?
Throw your umbrella down!
Umbrella
Umbrellas down! Jerk off!
Wait, how many laps? You got one more lap.
Where's the 7? 7, let's go!
the trainer is Shaky. Congratulations,
Let me put the big one down first.